I just want to show you in this video the difference between showing the desktop with the Show Desktop button versus hiding OpenBoard completely. So if I tap the Show Desktop button, I can navigate around on my desktop, but I see the palette of tools as well as my library. If I go to the OpenBoard menu and tap Hide OpenBoard, or I can use CTRL+H on a Windows computer or Command+H on a Mac computer, what that does is it hides all OpenBoard functionality whatsoever, so I can just use my computer like a regular computer without any tool palettes or libraries visible. So I just wanted to make sure that people knew the difference between that.